Hello viewers, while trading in stocks many times we hear about swing trading. Many of you may know the meaning of it. With the swing trading we can earn good profit, for that we have to understand some trading strategy. In this video I will teach you how to apply different type of indicators and make our trading strategy successful. Our goal is very clear that you can be a sharp and perfect while trading. So, before we proceed into the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, so we can get motivated and you can get these types of videos regularly. Now we go ahead in the video. Swing trading is different than the day trading. In day trading, what happens is, the trader buy stock and sell it on the same day, but in swing trading the trader generally buy the stock at good price, and it keep for some days or week, after he sell the stock at good margin. Swing trading can be for 2 days to 3 months, depending upon the trader as well as on market. Many traders like day trading, but success is tough in it, and it is very difficult to handle day trading because there may be so much momentum in the market in short time frame. But if we can get stock data for some more period, means on long time frame, then we can understand momentum of the stock as well as trend of stock with much clarity. So, swing trading is good option at this point. We can use daily time frame in swing trading strategy. In this strategy, we will look for the areas where momentum or swings occur at some specified time of periods. From that we can confirm the trend of the market. After that we have to just find pullbacks, which are great points to enter in the market for buying or selling of stocks. During this strategy we will use some indicators. First is moving average and second is RSI. Moving average is average of closing price of candles for specified time of period. For example, 20 moving average is average of closing price of 20 candles. Now the question is why we use moving average here, because with the help of moving average we can find the trend of the stock. If the price is above moving average, we will call it uptrend, and if the price is below the moving average, it will be downtrend. Generally, for short-term trend, 20 moving average, and for the medium-term trend, 50 moving average is used, while 200 moving average is used for long-term trend. To use this strategy in short term, we are going to use 9 and 21 exponential moving averages over here. We can see both the moving averages on chart. This is 9 EMA line, and this is 21 EMA line. Both the lines are inclined 45-degree upwards. Remember one thing friend, as we increase EMA, the EMA line will be more far from price trend. Here you can see 9 EMA is near to price trend and 21 is far from it. Thus, during uptrend 9 EMA is above 21 EMA. After identifying trend, moving average can be used as resistance or support. In uptrend moving average can be used as support. Price can jump after taking support at moving average, so we should use buy setup in this condition. Now here you can see downtrend. Both the EMA lines are inclined at 45-degree downwards. 9 EMA line is below the 21 EMA line. During the downtrend, moving average works as resistance. Here in downtrend price may be reflected after touching the moving average. So, we should use sell setup here. In sideway market we cannot identify the trend clearly, which we can see here, and moving averages also cross over to each other at many points. So, we should not trade in this type of sideway market. We cannot get buying or selling opportunities, so here our strategy cannot work. We can use our strategy in trending markets such as in uptrend or in downtrend. Another indicator we use here is RSI. Full form of RSI is Relative Strength Index. RSI is Momentum Oscillator Indicator. It provides the price momentum of stock during specified period of time. RSI oscillates between the value of 0 to 100. Default setting for the RSI is 14, which indicates price momentum for specified 14 candles. With help of RSI we can identify the overbought and oversold region of the stock. If the RSI is above 70, it is said that the stock is overbought, and from here price may go to downward direction. In the same way, if the RSI is below 30, it is said that the stock is oversold, and from here price of the stock may go up. In our strategy, we will use 2-period RSI, and we will take 90 as overbought level instead of 70 level, and 10 for oversold level instead of 30 level. We will use moving average and RSI together to get effective trade. We will also look for combinations between moving average and RSI. Now here consider for buy setup first. As we discussed before, we will buy when price is in uptrend. So here we have plotted 9 EMA and 21 EMA to find the trend of the stock. Here 9 EMA is above 21 EMA, and they both are inclined to upward direction, so it is called that the price is in uptrend. Now you can see, at this point pullback occurs near moving average. At the same time our 2-period RSI of the stock is below 10 level, so this will be our trigger candle. Thus, this combination of moving average and RSI indicate to buy over here. We will buy at the high of this candle, and we should keep our stop loss below the trigger candle. For target or profit we can exit at the nearest resistance. Our 1:1.5 risk-reward ratios should be followed here. For best way of exit, we can exit when RSI crossover 90 level, thus, we may get good margin over here. Now, for sell setup we have to wait for downtrend. Here you can see 9 EMA is below the 21 EMA, and they both are inclined in the downward direction, so it is called that the price is in downtrend. For sell setup, wait for the pullback of price. Here you can see pullback of the stock occur, and moving average provide resistance. At the same time 2-period RSI of the stock is above 90 level. So, this will be our trigger candle. Thus, this combination of moving average and RSI indicate to sell over here. We will keep our sell setup below the low of this candle, and stop loss above the high of this candle. If the stop loss is very small as it can be easily achieved, then we can keep the stop loss above the previous resistance, which is just above our trigger candle. For the target, we can exit when RSI of the stock crossover the 10 level. That's all my dear viewers. We do hard work to make these types of videos just for you. In return we are not asking much, but only like our video and subscribe our channel, so you can get these types of video regularly.